Do you ever feel like you have big goals, but you just can't find the motivation to start? Maybe you want to get fit, read more, or learn a new skill, but the task feels so huge that you end up doing nothing at all. You're not alone. Most people fail because they try to do too much, too soon. But today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that takes less than 120 seconds and can literally rewire your brain for success. It's called the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is a concept popularized by James Clear in his book, Atomic Habits. The rule is simple. When you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do. The idea is to make your habits as easy as possible to start. Instead of saying, "I need to study for 3 hours," you say, "I will open my book." Instead of, "I need to run 5 miles," you say, "I will put on my running shoes." Instead of, "I need to meditate for 20 minutes," you say, "I will sit down for 60 seconds." The point isn't to do the whole task, it's to master the art of showing up. Because a habit must be established before it can be improved. Why does this work so well, especially for people with busy lifestyles? Because our brains hate friction. When we think about a big, difficult task, our brain triggers a stress response, making us want to procrastinate. But when a task is so easy that you can't say no, you bypass that fear. Think of it like a gateway. Once you start the first 2 minutes, you often find yourself continuing for much longer. Momentum is the most powerful force in self-improvement. Once you're in motion, staying in motion is easy. You're no longer fighting your brain, you're working with it. This is exactly how high performers in the USA and all over the world stay consistent. So, how do you apply this? Pick one thing you've been avoiding. Maybe it's cleaning your room, writing that email, or starting a workout. Now, find a version of that habit that takes only 2 minutes. If you want to be a writer, write 1 sentence. If you want to be organized, fold 1 piece of clothing. These tiny actions might seem small, but they are votes for the person you want to become. You are building a new identity. Every time you show up for 2 minutes, you are telling yourself, "I am the type of person who gets things done." So, here is my challenge for you today. Pick one habit and do it for just 2 minutes right now. Don't think, just do. If you want more science-backed habits to upgrade your life, subscribe to Peak Pulse Habits. We post daily to help you reach your full potential. Comment below. What habit are you starting for 2 minutes today? Let's build a better life together. See you in the next video.